Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm eating bacon, egg and cheese muffins. And you can see the eggs popped in this one. They look a bit nasty, but the bacon's crispy. I cooked the eggs in the bacon fat and then I put some like chili flakes on the eggs and some hot sauce and yum and yum and yum. And I can't make my table work today, so I'm really sorry. You're not going to be able to see the food until it goes in me gob. So, oh, the egg has popped. The egg has popped. Look at the yolk. Woo! I'm going to take a bite of this. Just a quick morning video today. If you can hear TV in the background, it's because Jeannie's in the front room watching Paw Patrol. Oh. This isn't going to be the greatest video because I can't really show you a lot, but look at the state of this plate. Disgusting. So greasy and so bad for you. It's just as well I don't have this every day. Just need to get a drink. Be right back. And I'm back. This is probably going to be the quickest video I've ever done because I'm busy all day today. That egg yolk look. Ooh. Crispy bacon. McDonald's yesterday, this today. I'm going to have a decent dinner tonight. And last night I had for dinner, I don't really know what they're called, but it's like cheese and deli meats. I posted a picture on my Instagram. For those of you who don't know my Instagram, it's the same name as my YouTube, Zoe Eats Mukbang. It was good. Feta and pepperoni, salami, something like that. I've got grease. Yesterday, my vanity table came. So now instead of doing my makeup in the kitchen, where the natural light is, I have a proper table. For once in my life. Okay, on to the second one. Oh, it's so greasy. Might have to change the plate a bit. Oh. There we go. That's better. She says, look, damn. What egg yolk coming out? Egg yolk is the best part. Uh-oh. Mmm. Mmm. That was a big bite. Where's the yolk? I want to eat the yolk. Mop it up. Mm. It's right there, right on the edge. Mmm. I only put a little bit of cheese in there. So now I found out I can go live on my phone on YouTube. I might do some restaurant lives, like if we go to a restaurant and there's not loud music or anything like that. I might give it a go. I'll be embarrassed, but I might give it a go. Might seem confident to you guys, but I'm really not in real life. I'm quite shy. Not shy. I get really anxious with new people, meeting new people, or talking on the phone. I'm terrible. Like, I have a real hard time, like, plucking up the courage to talk to somebody new on the phone. Like, if I've got to ring up for a bill or something to do with the kids or whatever, I'm like, ooh. But oh well. Mmm. Mm-hmm. To cleanse my face later from all this grease. I'm done. I feel That's why the egg didn't pop as much, and this is hard. Creamy. Okay, that's me done. No more, Zoe, no more. No more. No more. Is anyone else like that with like people that they don't know? Or it's like at Christmas, somebody came round to do something to the house, but he's also Pat's friend, and his wife was with him. I just stayed in the kitchen for most of the time that they were here, like pottering about, pretending to do stuff, because I didn't know them. I was like, oh, I'm so anxious. But then I opened the Prosecco, and that was it. I was fine. I was like, hey, you want a cup of tea? Not really. Oh, Good. Good. I haven't really got my hair the same, have I? I knew it wouldn't. I knew it wouldn't. I knew I wouldn't be able to get it the same as the hairdresser did. Anyway, that's me done. If you haven't done so already, please hit the thumbs up button. Give this video a like. If you haven't done so already, please hit the subscribe button. So you are going to be part of the family forever. Ever. Anyway, and the post notification bell so you're notified next time I go live or post a video. Excuse me. But for now, I'm like a belly button. I'm outie. Bye.